Today we are going to continue with opinion argumentative writing. It's hard sometimes to come up with these prompts that are more open ended. Traditionally, argumentative prompts are choose one side or the other. So today I'm going to ask you to do a brainstorm, just like we've been doing these past couple of weeks. I want you to make a list. What do you have strong opinions about? Now, you don't have to go serious with these topics, although you can. You could talk about climate change. You could talk about women's rights. You can talk about the minimum wage if you want to. But you can also talk about things about the best ice cream flavor or what makes a good pet. You could write about your favorite TV show or movie or your favorite musician. Go ahead and make that list. Take a couple of minutes to make a really great list, and then pick the topic that you feel the most passionate about. That is what you are going to write about today. Try to convince someone why your opinion is right. Set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Happy writing.